Let's begin with breaking updates now coming in from Karnataka. The internal divide within the Congress party has gone beyond the top leadership. In the latest, the Rural Development Minister Priyank Kharge has launched a stinging rebuke against the senior leader K.N. Rajanna after Rajanna, who is a staunch loyalist of Siddaramaiah, had claimed that the Congress party is dependent on Siddaramaiah for votes. So now Priyank Kharge has hit back at the senior leader, saying you need the Congress for elections, you need the leadership for the campaigns, and now after you get power to make such statements is absolutely wrong.
ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಂಥ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಬೇಕು, ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಬೇಕು, ಅವರ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ತತ್ವ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಅನುಭವಿಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅದು. ಈಗ 140 ವರ್ಷ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೇನ್ರಿ? 140 ವರ್ಷ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಪಕ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ by individuals or for individuals.
So let's also play out what K.N. Rajanna has said. Now, this is a statement that he went on to say, which led to Priyank Kharge making this statement.
He's a mass puller. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಸೂಯೆಗೆ ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅವರು ಮಾಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಲರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರಿದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮತಗಳು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಒಪ್ಪೋದು ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಅವ್ರವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ.
My colleague Neha joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Neha, clearly the leadership tussle is not just within the top ranks of the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, but it is trickling down to other leaders as well who are openly taking digs.
Well, Pratibha, that's right. This is not the first time that we've heard K.N. Rajanna openly making his political views, public. This isn't the first time. We've seen it in the past as well. He's often batted, for the Chief Minister there to continue, for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to continue. However, a very sharp word coming in there from IT Minister Priyank Kharge, wherein he says that the party is not just for one person, it's not by one person, but it's a matter of larger leadership over here. Also, of course, one must remember that K.N. Rajanna in the past as well has made several critical remarks about the Deputy Chief Minister, and whenever, of course, questioned on this, Deputy Chief Minister has often brushed it aside, saying, it was, of course, on a lighter note, and I would speak to him. One thing, of course, Pratibha, questions right now that continue to arise about the leadership change. It seems to be a debate that's not dying down anytime soon, but, on and off, of course, when statements are made like this by senior leaders within the party, these questions are revoked yet again.
Okay, all right, do stay with us. Prashant GS is also on the broadcast with us. And Prashant, what do you think is happening in the Karnataka Congress? Because often hitting headlines is a tussle between the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. Now K.N. Rajanna saying the Congress party is dependent on Siddaramaiah, and you have Priyank Kharge openly taking a dig at him.
Firstly, greed for power and lust for the chair have taken over Karnataka Congress. Accepting governance and administration and maintaining law and order, they are doing everything else. This only indicates that the camps in Congress have been out in the open for the last 30 months, and there is no developmental activity which has taken place, and law and order is at its lowest. And it is the same case Rajanna who was shunted out by Rahul Gandhi for having spoken against him. And now he is batting for Siddaramaiah because he wants to probably secure his position or get back into the cabinet. And Priyank Kharge is also eyeing the top spot, takes a dig at him. Accepting administration, they are doing everything else in the state of Karnataka. They are doing politics for the sake of it. And people of Karnataka, after having given a mandate of 135 seats, are left in the lurch. They have no way to look because they've given a mandate and they have to now bear with this corrupt Congress government till the end of the term, after which I'm sure Congress will be thrown out of power, like in many places in the country.
Okay, all right. So open divide that we're seeing in the party, and often such headlines are made when the leaders are making such statements against each other. Mr. Prashant, thank you for joining us on the broadcast.